Hello everyone! Let's see how to create a t-shirt mock-up in Photoshop like this. So, open your t-shirt image in Photoshop. Now, drag and drop the design that you want on the shirt. Press Ctrl+T and scale the design as per your requirement. Change the blending mode to screen. Right-click on this layer and choose Blending Options. Now, press and hold the Alt key and click on this slider to break it and slide it a bit. Similarly, slide the other slider too. Bring this slider to 60. Hit OK. We are done here. Let's see the final result. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.